So hello everybody, today I'm going to be making agua de tamarindo. I'm going to be using about 1 pound, and when I picked this up at my Mexican market, which in my case I got it from Cardenas, you want to avoid grabbing them like this. Get tamarindo that's in perfect condition, only because you know they're protected inside and nothing walks all over them, inside of them, like little bugs. I'm gonna keep this one, all these right here, only because I did buy them in perfect condition, but I've been storing them in a container, and they get moved around a lot, and then the shell just breaks off of them. So basically, I'm gonna start with 1 pound. So what we're gonna do is break the shell off of the tamarind. It is going to get very sticky. And we're going to remove this right here. Then I'm going to put it in there because we are going to wash them. When I rinse my hands out and I come back over here, it becomes just a little bit easier to remove the shell. But at the same time, it gets very sticky. So just, I guess, keep rinsing your hands out. Okay, and here it is. I'm going to rinse this out, and we're going to put it in water, which I have on the stove heating up. So I'm going to get right on that. Take this into our water, which I have already put on the stove, ready for me to finish this up. I've added my tamarind into the water. I'm gonna let this soak in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. I want to be able to get the tamarind soft enough to remove the seed that is inside of that. So I've had it on low for about 20 minutes, getting the tamarind to soften up and to break apart from the seed. I have 2 pitchers. In one of them, I'm going to stir it around so I can try to break apart everything from the seed. See, I'm getting there. So that is the goal. And another picture, I'm going to use a fine mesh strainer to catch all the thick pieces. I should probably wait until this cools down, but I'm going to do it now. So here goes. I'm pressing down on it.